Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to take your Mailchimp sign-up forms and default emails to a whole new level with some simple customizations. If you're looking to make a strong first impression, unify your branding, and ensure your subscribers have a seamless professional experience with every email, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to edit your Mailchimp forms and emails so they not only look amazing but also truly feel like an extension of your brand. Let's dive right in, first things first. Customizing your sign-up form, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp and navigate to the Forms section. From there, look for Other Forms and select the Form Builder. This is your main workspace for making changes. Think of this as the front door to your mailing list. For many subscribers, this is the very first point of contact, so making sure it reflects your brand is crucial. Inside the Form Builder, you can add or edit the fields you want users to fill out. For example, maybe you just want people's name and email, or maybe you want to collect birthdays or interests. Be intentional with these choices. More fields mean more info, but they can also be a barrier to signups, so find a balance that makes sense for your audience. Now, let's make it visually yours. You can upload your logo to the form, which sets the tone right away. This visual cue reassures people that they're in the right place. Next, play with the color palette and fonts. Make sure these match your website or overall visual identity. A little extra effort here goes a long way towards keeping everything consistent. Imagine your form like a handshake. You want it to be welcoming, polished, and unmistakably you. Next up are the default emails. Without any tweaks, Mailchimp's automatic emails, like the subscription confirmation, the welcome message, and profile update notices, are pretty plain. But in the same form builder, you can customize each and every one of these. Click into each email type, and you'll see options to change the subject line, the message wording, and even the visuals. This is your chance to let your brand's personality shine through. For example, instead of a generic "confirm your subscription," why not write something like "Hooray, you're almost on the list." You can also change the look and feel so it matches the sign-up form, same colors, same logo, maybe even a friendly image or signature. Don't be afraid to inject a bit of your own style, whether that's warm and welcoming, inspirational, or even a little bit cheeky if that fits your brand. Before you go live, don't forget this next step. It's easy to overlook but super important. Test and preview everything. Always send yourself a test email or preview your sign-up form just as a subscriber would see it. This only takes a minute, but it's a crucial checkpoint. This way, you can catch any typos, awkward phrasing, or formatting issues before your audience does. Trust me, nothing builds confidence like knowing you've seen exactly what your subscribers will see. By personalizing your sign-up form and emails, you're offering a polished, on-brand experience right from the start. It's the small details, like that consistent logo or a welcoming subject line, that make subscribers feel taken care of and valued. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with a specific customization. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.